Hello, I'm Dave, and on this video I'll be drawing Sonic the Hedgehog. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now and click that bell for notifications. So I started this off simple enough with a circle towards the top part of the page, and then just a little circle connected right underneath it. From there I started working on the torso, like the body of Sonic, and just kind of work from there. That bottom circle is the torso, and then you can see I drew a couple of lines downward underneath that. That's his legs. And now I'm drawing the top of the socks, and you only see the socks, you only see the top of the socks right above the shoes. So that's what I'm drawing right here. Just getting that little bit detail there, and on the bottom on the right side sock as well. So once I got that, now I'm drawing the shoe. You can see just carefully putting those lines there. Now just rounding the tip of that right shoe, and then just drawing a line right under that, just runs parallel with the rest of the shoe. Okay, so now onto the left shoe, and bringing out the pencil just to the tip, and then again that line, that parallel line right underneath. So now onto the arms and the hands. I drew just a simple little couple lines to bring the arm out, and then now the glove that's on the hand. And so now the thumb, just bringing out like a slightly rounded line. That's going to be the first finger. And then we're doing a couple of lines there to show the split between each finger, and now just rounded right up to the end of the glove right there. And so onto the left, this right there was like his tail, but now onto his left arm. And so once I got those couple lines drawn, now onto the glove. Now I'm rounding up just right there. That's his thumb. He's gonna be pointing like with his finger up. So now just getting the knuckles, connecting that right here. And now I'm doing a couple of connected lines. And there you see his fingers kind of tucked into his hand. So now once I got that, just extending right here for his finger sticking out. So now onto the big circle. The bottom part, I'm gonna use that bottom part of that big circle so that I can start shaping the head. So I just found a nice spot on the bottom part of that circle to put the nose, and then from there I'm building up the smile just a little bit inside of that circle, and inside of that I found a good spot just a little bit to the right and above that nose is where the lower part of the eye is gonna be, where he has kind of that facial, like where his eyebrows kind of tuck in, and it gives him kind of that attitude that he has. So now with that, just going back up on the right side and connecting that eye down to the nose. And now just penciling in his eyebrow. And once I did that, I got the ear now on the right side. And now from there, we're gonna get those giant the scales on his back. After you get just a little bit of a smiley face, like a little smirk, and then that left ear is just gonna be right above that left eyebrow. So now once we got that, now we're working on the scale in the back. And I'm just connecting those two. This one's going to be a small one, and then now there's a large one. And I'm kind of going off of that circle that I had drawn, starting it at the circle and then extending out, coming back to the circle. And the circle is just that very light circle, the very first one we drew. Now connecting the back. And so once we have that all drawn out, now I'm taking the paint marker. If you're doing this and you want to just use a regular pen, a paint marker if you happen to have them, or colored pencils, or just a regular marker, something to make your lines dark and stand out, because now we're making them more official and less of a sketch. So just getting those lines solidified now. And this just going over. I made sure to leave a little bit of a white spot in his eyes and in his nose, because that's where the shine would be if we were to color it. So now just continuing to do the outline all the way through the hands. You can get the mid body. And onto the feet. And again, I'm just going right over those lines that I had already done. Making it easy. It's a lot easier to do it with pencil first, and then you can erase and shift things around as you need, or just do things so lightly that you just go over them before you actually go on with the darker, like a marker or something at the end to make it to make your lines more permanent. And now outlining the back part. And here he is, Sonic. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.